Yeah, man. Oh, wait. Do you want my mic so you can commentate?
I need to get you.
Guys, you in there, yeah?
I'm speaking to it, bro.
Let's see how Owen plays there. Let's see, guys. So far, he's peppering. Trying to act like a tool.
Guys, I talk too much.
25 skunk. Let's see. So far, he's being lazy with his warm-up, guys. I don't like this. He's trying to yam it. Look at him trying to get hype, bro. Let's see if he'll be in the real match.
Okay. That was good.
Let me go check a different angle with him. He's locked in, guys. He's locked in.
Wow. Sorry. Oh, no.
L swing, guys. L swing.
Well. Oh, sorry.
Let me be like assistant coach right now, guys. L serve, L pass, L warm up, guys. L warm up. It's a lit tournament, though. I wish Marcus made the team. Let me just quick peek at the Super League match. 9-6. Mallory winning. Oh, guys might get cooked for a set. Hopefully not. Lol. Alright, hit lines. Let's see. Come on, Amir. Trying to dap up my boy in it. Say something to the mic. What he said. Let's go, Slime. Yeah, Owen.
Good time. It was not bad.
Let's see, lads. Owen's first warm-up swing for his next match. He didn't went for it. Bam! Ref! Come on, ref. I brought the ref
No. Oh, man.
Try and step sideways.
No.
How are you doing?
I don't know, bro. Lock in, man.
Okay.
That way you can see how I like.
Wait, sideways, what do you mean?
Stop on left leg.
This is
Oh.
right.
And then swing. This
Uh,
should be. I like you behind you.
Amir!
1, 2.
Oh, yum that bitch. Nah, but you can still use the other fingers, mate.
just like a...
You got 4 more fingers, mate.
Any like that play is a perfect.
That set was beautiful.
You're bad. You're on time. You need to just swing.
Owen.
I'm scared of...
Yeah!
I'm scared of killing my back.
Finally!
Go.
Finally!
Good job.
On the middle. Sheesh!
I'm so uncomfortable phone with this microphone. Oh my god.
Once you get in the game,
Good warm-ups, guys, though.
I'm so out of timing. This okay. This okay. I was don't even comment this okay.
yeah, like the timing is okay. Just try and keep your arm straight.
Yeah, I'm scared of hurting my back.
Then focus on bringing it back.
What is that, Owen? So goofy with his middle approach. Yeah. Owen! Owen! Owen, you should play middle, bro. That is an interesting approach. You were right here when you hit middle. He mic'd me up. Come on, he mic'd me up. This guy.
My
Yeah, Owen.
no. I think I warmed up my first the last time. I'm gonna get him.
It's not looking good. It's not looking very good.
Was it under? Was it under the net?
So far out.
Oh. Oh, this one. I thought you would hit me.
Before I was gonna hit you.
Yeah.
I can never. That's in the line. I confidently say that's in the line.
That was so synchronized, yeah. I think I mustard. I think I mustard. How's your finger? How's your finger?
I'm not. I'm not.
I'm marked up, so I can't say anything rude to these lot, even though I wanted to say something rude.
They don't like to do like huge hits. They like doing consistent. So let's break this from my
Yep.
6-year-old 3D, please be adding me up on single meetings.
You heard that right from Mr. Gullit himself. Dap him up, add him up, DM him, do whatever you want. GG's, boys.
Because that's slow.
You can tell they are comfortable middle, if anything, a little bit. Because they are slow middle, yeah?
2, 3, squad! Let's see what Owen does, guys.
Good serve!
Oh yeah! Let's go!
So clean! Oh my god!
Come
So
on,
clean!
let's go. Easy free ball. You have to kill it. Owen just stood there looking at it.
We love to see it.
Hey, 1-0, 1-0. look at your boy get hyped, bro. Yeah, tell him, coach, tell him.
Good serve!
Good serve. What's the cross? Yeah! Yeah! Middle.
Good one!
That was definitely in, bro. What are you talking about?
It was out. Nice serve!
Sauce, I don't know. Ooh, tight. That's it.
That's okay.
Can you see Andres? Can you see it? Headshot still box. A block is a block. Too deep, guys. Too deep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Unfortunate. Tight game, guys.
Receive. Good one.
Good swing. Good swing, bro. Good swing.
Good job.
That was a good pass. It was a good pass.
You read it?
Yep.
You know where my gap is.
That's swing.
Deep.
That's up.
Oh, yeah! Good one.
Don't immediately want to.
Nice serve. A-C-E.
Flat serve. That's what you call a flat serve. Bando. You have to set middle.
Yeah, that's all right. Are they going
Too good of a
slow?
pass.
Should I jump later? Okay.
Let's see what they do.
Yeah, okay. Alright.
Good time. Oh yeah.
Really good set.
Too easy. Serve short.
Ready.
Serve short. What did I say?
Good one, good one.
They're too lazy. They're too lazy. Outside.
Good one. Fuck.
Unlucky. I feel like outside. I can't lie.
What should I do? Bro. Yep, yeah.
Good serve. Come on.
Good job!
yeah.
Oh my god, that's so cool!
I'll push it.
Nice save. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Middle. We got middle. Yeah! Owen!
Go on! Oh, that was mine, wasn't it? That was from...
That's one mistake. Let's pull it back.
Wasn't mine. Mine. Oh, Sophia. Good job.
Quick!
Hey!
Touch. Come on, man. Let's see what Owen does here. Oh! Sheesh! Watch the hair, boy.
What a pop.
Look how Mr. Owen being so humble. Checking out for concussion there. Sheesh!
You okay, you ready?
Cover, yeah? Hey, watch out for the cover.
Nice serve.
Oh, yeah. Let's scoop that still. Nice off system swing. See, not all the time you have to power down. Gotta look for them empty zones. Oh, he went for the top. Oh yeah. Touch.
Yes. Work, nice. Good work.
Oh, what in.
Nice. You set.
Nice set.
Hey!
That's good. Good messy volleyball.
Good job.
Come on.
Be careful with your voice. It's like 10% working, you know. But I feel like you're okay. Adrenaline.
Come on, set middle. Oh! Hey, cut that out. Nothing happened.
Hey, shake it off now, yeah? Shake it
No, if I was setter, I'd give it back to my middle. Give it some redemption. Nice pass.
Good one.
I'll give him back. Yes,
There we go.
is cooking right now. He wants to
Good
get
one.
that redemption.
That's a good hit.
Oh, not the service error.
Yeah.
Get in the middle. Good pass, Owen. Ooh. Outside. Yeah. Oh, come on, man.
That's alright.
A little bit of scrappy plays. Let's get back to playing the way we were.
I saw some.
A little bit of middle issue practice. Let's clean up a little bit. We're doing good when it comes to defense. Just offense, a little bit more technical.
We need aggression.
We need aggression.
We need aggression. We are playing well. We are passing well. There's no reason why we shouldn't swing. And we have been covering really, really well on top. So let's keep tucking down those other toes of water. Right?
Bro, if you have your time, the ball will be right there.
Squad!
And what I said, what's his arm?
They don't need to jump super high.
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly.
It's a little bit early.
Easy serve. Easy pass. Oh yeah.
Go! No!
Good hustle, Owen. In. Outside. Yeah.
Let's go.
Have two. No, it's one set. 25.
Nice serve! Free! Go!
No touch.
Yes!
No. It's no touch. It's no touch. That was a net touch in the middle.
That's right, that's right.
That was a net touch in the middle.
Yep.
Go!
Go! Free! Yep. I'm sorry! I'm so shit! How am I doing this?
That middle net touch earlier.
Yeah, that's right. Mine.
Yeah, the middle. Big net touch, man.
My serve.
Okay.
Guys, I'm so lost. I just lost. You know when you lose your timing and you just lose.
How was that? Owen! I knew he was gonna be out. I just knew he was gonna be out.
My God.
Owen! Time.
Good job.
Dime it, just dime the pass, that's it. That's Hamza right there.
Thank you. Over! Set it! I was supposed to set it. I think when I'm back row, I'm doing just so random things. Next one. I haven't played for a long time.
Damn. Quick time out to see what happened in Super League.
Shake it up.
Oh. Cover. Oh, yeah. Cover.
Shake it up. Next one. Keep it easy. Yay! Good one. Yeah. Incredible.
What's up to? 25. When's your next match?
Still 2 points ahead of
Your
them.
next match.
Let's try and clean up as much as we can and clean house for this set.
Let's end this rotation. I don't want to
Yeah.
this rotation.
2 normal serves and then you can switch.
Yeah.
2, 3, squat!
You got it. Good job.
So this is pre-game warm-up. Where's the ball? Oh, hustle.
Nice and easy.
Side out.
Yeah! Oh my god.
Let's go.
Good job.
I lifted my arm too high.
Good serve. Spot. Go. Line. Spot. Middle.
Oh, yeah. Come on, guys. Don't let up.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Good one. Yeah! Good hit. Good one. Keep it up. Good serve. Oh! Nice serve.
Oh, yeah. Touch. Yes, sir. Congrats, guys. Oh, yeah.
2-3 squad, yeah?
2, 3. 2, 3, squad.
I was so tired.
What? That was a tie game.
Good game,
Yeah.
Owen.
I win is a win. Good game. Good game. Well played. Well played. Well played. Good game. I hate yourself. Fuck yourself. Good game. Good game.
Hey! Hey!
Why are you
One game
I'm sorry. Sorry, sorry.
Let's see what that's about now.
Yeah.
Look at this handsome specimen. Look at him trying to Owen. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Let me do what, bro?
Nothing. Nothing.
Give my shit back.
What should I put the mic